Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, April 15th, 2013. Generally quiet weather is expected through midweek over the region. A moderately strong and wet storm system will bring valley rain and mountain snow to the region from Thursday night through Friday night. A drying trend will begin Saturday and last through early next week, although a few weak disturbances will clip the region, bringing some mountain rain and snow showers. Breezy but not unusually strong winds will continue from time to time through the next weekend. Overall, the week will be fairly quiet with a general slow warming trend. The late week storm will largely skip over the Cascades-Lee area, including Wenatchee, and bring precipitation to the eastern half of the forecast area, including Lewiston. Beginning Thursday night, a warm front will develop over the region, concurrent with an increasing moisture fetch. There is high confidence that a 24-hour period of rain and mountain snow will envelop the region. Steady rain will turn to hit-and-miss showers after the trailing cold front passes late Friday or Friday evening. The remarkable aspect of this system will be a deep subtropical fetch of moisture hosing into the region. This deep moisture will be efficiently enhanced into rain and mountain snow as the warm front moves in on Thursday night. Fortunately, this will be a fairly brief splash from this moisture feed. The plume will sag south and mainly impact Oregon by midday Friday. The northern fringe of this fetch will continue fueling showers over eastern Washington and North Idaho through Friday afternoon as the trailing cold front sweeps through. Total precipitation from this storm will run from 1 to 2 inches on the higher terrain of North Idaho and the Cascade Crest to 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the valleys of and eastern Columbia Basin. The deep basin in the Cascades-Lee area will be largely shadowed by the Cascades, resulting in much less, if any, rain. Bear in mind that above 4,000 feet to 5,000 feet, most of this precipitation will fall as snow and thus not be available to run off into area rivers. At this time, the model depicted here is a worst-case scenario and only roughly resolves the high terrain of the Cascades and North Idaho. Because of the relatively brief period of steady precipitation and the high mountain precipitation falling as snow, runoff into area rivers is not expected to be a problem. The Coeur d'Alene River at Cataldo, for example, which drains much of the area expected to receive most of the precipitation, will show a noticeable rise but should remain well below flood stage. However, the hydrology aspect is the most uncertain portion of this week's forecast. So concerned parties should pay close attention to the forecast issued later this week, not just for the Coeur d'Alene, but for all streams and rivers draining the mountains. After the wet storm later this week, a progressive northwest flow pattern will set up and persist through the weekend. No significant storms are expected, but minor disturbances will maintain a threat of mainly mountain rain and snow showers. For the 8 to 14-day outlook, it suggests that there is no strong signal indicating either higher or lower than normal precipitation over the area, but the odds strongly favor above normal temperatures. And to summarize, a relatively quiet but continued cool weather pattern is expected through Thursday. Significant valley rain and high mountain snow is expected Thursday night through Friday night, and occasionally breezy and unsettled with mainly lingering mountain snow showers is expected next weekend and through Monday. We accept feedback at the following web address, and we welcome constructive feedback. And in order to stay informed, here are the various resources that you can follow us on to get further information.